Morning. I've sat this morning out from going cycling or running. My body aches really bad, so decided to sleep in a little bit more, get a good breakfast into me and finish today's riding. And then I'm gonna have a rest day tomorrow. Well, when I say rest day, just an easy cycle. I'm going swimming later as well, so that'll be interesting. Haven't swam in a while, so see how that goes. Go with a coffee.
Because they know what they are on camera isn't what they are in real life behind the scenes.
Oh, I'm starting to get frustrated now. Back brake just keeps going because I haven't got that rubber in, so all the fluid's just pissing out of it. This is really annoying me. But main thing is I'm out on my bike and just putting laps in. Just keep putting the laps in. What I'm doing is I'm just doing like 10-minute sessions today, just trying to set the suspension up a little bit better, get a bit more comfortable on the bike because I'm real tired, so I'm not doing anything too mad because I've done pretty big sessions yesterday, so just keeping it to 10 minutes today. Getting it done. Getting a little bit better, feeling a bit more comfortable again. Just rusty, haven't I? Just really rusty. I'll get there. It's gonna take time. It's the first week. I have to keep telling myself it's the first week. Chill the beans. Getting the last of my amazing pasta. Nearly dropped it there. Don't know whether it's nicer when it's hot or cold, I don't know. It's nice either way. As you can see. Oh, the fluid keeps coming out. So I'm only getting about 10-15 minutes maybe out of it. Bleed it back up and do it again. But I'm done for the day anyway, so track was nice and rough, so I got a good bit of setup. Yeah, I felt alright. Tried something different there in that last session. Didn't work. Just building. It's all a building process when you've been off the bike so long and not been able to train for a while. Just have to deal with the pain. All washed up. Now time to get some work done to them. Oil filter, air filter, and I don't know what else I'm doing. Gold check. That's it, ready to rock now. I'm actually glad I've done that because frees up some time for tomorrow, so all I have to do is a bit of cycling, washing my clothes and other bits. So, pretty happy with that. That's me just home there now. What to do? I am going swimming. That's what I'm going to do. It's quite late. It's 5 o'clock. Yeah, go up now. Hopefully I can get into the pool. I'm not sure what times it is. I'm gonna go for a little walk up to the pool, do a half an hour swim, come back and get myself loads of food because I'm starving and I'm really sore. Hopefully this swim loosens me up. Just remember that to go shopping as well. Get some eggs. I know have eggs, couldn't have eggs this morning. That's probably why I was so tired, so sore. This is where I'm going. Hopefully the pool lets me in. Ooh, gonna get belted by a car. You 100% wasn't stopping either. That's me done for today. Swim done. Don't know if I have big swimming goggles. They look a bit bruised to be fair. Walk back now. Yeah, so that's the day done. I'm gonna go to bed because I'm absolutely wrecked. That's really it.